All right. This is Billy Dean. We're going to go smash up some cop cars at a satellite detachment. Billy's a little bit of a drinker and doesn't take his frustrations out on people. He takes it out on, stuff. If you want to join a server, you can find us online, Greater Ontario RP.com. All departments are open: civilian, EMS, fire, OPP, dispatch. We are currently recruiting, so you can find us on Discord as well. And you can join. Set yourself up for an interview and start playing pretty quickly. Obviously, there's some checklist stuff you got to go through with understanding the rules and things like that, but it's fairly easy. We are a niche community in Ontario. There it is there. All right, let's see what we can do here. Oh, that's about just about died. Back. Oh, I'm in. That sounded like a cop car. We're just gonna break some cars here. Alright, that should be enough damage. Place a call. Whatever. Let's see if I can get out of here now. Oh, yeah. Oh, climb that too. Must not have saw me. go in here and try to get another beer. Well, and as you can see by that, we're going to spice things up a little bit. Let's wait till they get here. I don't live that far away. Let's see if I can get to my house. Oh, for crying out loud. Get. Let's see if this works. Oh, baby. Oh, boy. What the? I'm not going to stay here for too long. I might try to make a run back from my bike, but we'll have to see what happens in the next little bit here. Oh boy. Well, that was close. I'm not sure how he didn't see me, but I must be hidden pretty well in this bush here, which I like. Wish I could get onto the roof. That'd be even better. I can hear footsteps. Feel like I'm gonna get tasered. And they're now banging on doors. They must think I went inside. Oh. Trying to see around the corner, but I
Billy Dean, this is the Ontario Police. We know you're inside. Come on out.
It's not my address. Well, it's not my trailer. I feel like this guy's gonna search more around and I'm gonna run.
Hey, get out of those bushes right now.
Hey,
Double among
leave me
them in his
alone.
back trailer.
No, no,
Put your hands up right now.
no. I want nothing to do with you. Leave me alone. Ah. Gonna try to get to my bike. Come on, you little drunk. Let's go. Oh, nope. Not going to my bike. Good. Run. Why am I going so slow? Oh, shit.
Hands up, sir.
Oh, an idiot, man. That no fair. That no fair. Fight. Okay. There.
You have me cuffed.
Okay. That hurt. Ow. Ow. That hurt.
You wanna get the right guy?
Come on.
Thank you. No.
Come on, let me go.
Dear Lord.
Let me go.
Mr. Dean, not a smart move.
No. I'm smart.
Just get that off you there.
I didn't want no trouble.
Do you know what you look like, sir?
Billy Dean?
You, Mr. Dean, look a lot like the person that I just saw vandalizing cruisers in the back of our attachment.
Nah, wasn't me.
See, you didn't think we had cameras there, did you? You didn't think about that one, eh?
No comment.
Yeah.
No comment.
Okay, no comment. That's what I thought. Somebody want to read him his rights to counsel?
Mr. Dean, is that right?
Hey, Ferrero.
Sure.
How many cruisers are in the back of the detachment?
The one that was, yeah, I wasn't there,
Right,
sir. I wouldn't know.
There's three.
Right to
Oh,
retain,
Morgan.
trying to counsel about the way. You have the right to a free and immediate legal advice from the counsel. Do you understand?
Yep.
They wish to call a lawyer.
Nope. No. Innocent.
Okay.
I'm innocent.
You also have the right to apply for legal assistance to the provisional legal aid program. Do you understand?
Yep.
Hey, Ferrero, you want to go grab ASD?
Sure.
You
I was gonna
guys
grab my
always give me
cruiser.
a hard time.
I'll grab it from yours. Yeah.
Always give me a hard time.
So, Mr. Dean,
You took my truck.
I smell alcohol in your breath.
You know I drink.
Yes, I do, sir. And it's not the first time you've been caught driving while doing that. At this point, I demand that you provide a sample of your breath in a per-screen device to allow for a proper analysis of your
is he
breath to be
doing?
made, and that you accompany me after the purpose of taking this test. Do you wish to comply with that demand?
No. Not this time.
Alright, that's fine. You're additionally charged with failing to provide a breath sample, then.
Nope. Not doing it. I want my truck back.
Stop drinking and driving.
I want my truck back. You won't give it back. So
Guess what? We're also gonna take your motorcycle and not give that back either.
I'll get more cruisers.
That's fine. You can tell the taxpayers exactly why they're forking out money to fix our cruiser you keep wrecking.
You can also add assault peace officer onto that charge.
You came at me. I was defending myself.
Sir, when you're being chased by the police because you committed a crime, then it's not. There is no self-defense in that.
He came at me. He came at me.
Yeah, to arrest you. Because you were fleeing from us. You got anything on you, sir?
Nope.
Okay. You want to search him, Brandon?
So I get this off of you. We doing with this?
What's he got?
Crowbar.
Hey, look at that.
My tool. My tool.
Oh, evidence.
Yeah, is it your tool for breaking stuff? Like over at our attachment with our cruisers, over at the bar there. And they kick you out. You just
no
like
comment.
breaking things, don't you?
You took my truck. I want my truck.
Billy, you keep drinking and driving.
I want my truck. It's my truck.
Stop drinking and driving. See, now you just made it even harder for yourself because now you're. I know you like drinking, but if you're gonna drink, stop driving.
I can't.
If you want to drive, quit drinking. You can't do them both at the same time. You got to do one at a time.
I can do both. I can do both.
No, Billy, because you're gonna keep getting arrested, and we're gonna keep taking whatever vehicle you're driving.
I could do both.
Eventually, you're gonna run out of vehicles.
Just take yours.
Well, then you're gonna be on a whole different cup of hot water there. Yup.
I mean, assaulting a peace officer is pretty well getting there too.
You came at me.
Billy, get in the car and just shut your mouth, okay? I've heard enough of you tonight.
I heard enough of you.
That's fantastic. Quit talking then.
I think I hit that guy so hard he was doing laps for a while. Well, a little fun, a little running, no gunning or nothing, but that was fun. Billy's always up to nonsense, gets drunk and just goes a little bit nuts. Oh, there's the cruisers I banged up.
Oh, goody. You're right back where you started from.
No.
What was that?
I said no. No.
What do you mean, no?
I didn't start here. I don't.
Okay.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. Are you gonna fight me or are you gonna cooperate?
I'm cuffed. I don't do much fight with cuffs on.
I've heard that before.
Can I have a beer?
No.
Oh. What am I supposed to do?
Let's come to the bars here.
lucky you're not in here.
I didn't think he was going to come in here and fight. Anyway, that's going to do it. Again, check us out online if you're interested in joining.
So this is Julie. Julie's about to walk out of the store and find that her purse is being taken by a jerk face.
Excuse me. Mother.
Now wait. I also apologize for my female voice. It's probably very awful. What do you want? That's not something I do every day. You're looking to get involved with GTA 5, FiveM. Find us online at greaterontarioRP.com. We're also on Discord, and we are currently recruiting. So check us out. Have an interview and start playing. Have some fun.
Howdy, you alright? You look a little upset.
Some dickbag just took my purse out of my car.
Oh yeah, where'd he go?
He was on a blue motorcycle. He last went down on Patricia there to the west.
Oh yeah. Well, he's long.
That way, if that way's west, I think it is. Pisses me right off.
Ah, some people are scum, you know? They're scumbags. Yeah, blue motorcycle, scumbag. Got it, yeah.
Hey.
Howdy.
Sorry, what's
Hi,
going
officer. Some
I'm
asshole.
just investigating a theft.
He stole my purse out of my car. I went in to pay for
Okay.
gas, and when I came out, he was in my car and he grabbed it, took off on his motorcycle.
Is there signs of forced entry on your...
My windows were down. My purse was on my seat.
Your
Alrighty.
purse on your seat?
Yeah, I paid with
Oh,
my
that's
phone.
just asking for it.
Excuse
Alright,
me?
security guy, do you have cameras?
I don't know, I don't work here. I was just getting gas.
Okay. So you don't work here yet, you're taking notes on the incident. It's a
Well,
little...
it's not a crime. I was just asking her
Okay.
what happened. I like to write things down.
Security
Okay,
to the
well-
rescue.
But you understand how that looks? Like, you're leading up... Anyway. Alright, so, Miss
If
Julie...
you all are done having a jerk-off session, I'd like my purse back. He's getting away.
Well, maybe you shouldn't have left it on the front seat. Put the window down.
Can he leave? This is ridiculous.
Yeah, I'll leave. Good luck with your crime of the century there.
What an
Hopefully-
asshole.
Hopefully
Just
nobody
go.
breaks into your house. Do you leave, like, the front door open?
Oh, boy.
All right.
Alright, don't worry about him. Alright, Julie, I'm assuming you called us today?
Yes, I did.
Alright, Constable Ackery, Constable Brandon, Ontario Provincial Police. Tell me what happened tonight.
I got gas, and then I went in to pay, and I used my phone like everyone else, and my purse was on my front seat. When I came out, That asshole was in my side window, and I watched him take my purse out, and he drove away.
And you said it was a blue and white motorcycle?
Yeah, it
Okay.
was, well, blue, maybe silver? He had a white hoodie on.
Okay. And any other descriptions? Could you tell what his race was?
No, I was so focused on the purse, and
Okay.
I'm sorry, I didn't get a good enough
Well-
look.
No, it's okay. What was inside?
Like, inside my purse?
Yep. Just in case we
Oh.
recover it, we know what's inside, so it's not just
My-
anyone's purse.
My wallet, with my ID, of course, like my license, my health card, my social insurance number, a credit card.
Okay.
There would have been about $60-ish in there. I don't know exactly, but around there probably. Gotta have cash for my Starbucks in case the debit's down, you know?
Hello, sir. How you doing?
Fantastic. Hey, detective.
Yes, sir.
When I was pulling out here with my observation skills, that bike was just sitting in the parking lot across the street.
Alrighty, I think we have a unit that's seen. Is it there now?
No, I left.
Okay,
I went that way.
thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Well, that's annoying.
What? Oh, yeah.
Okay, well, it looks like we have an officer behind it. They're going to try to do a
Okay.
traffic stop, just in case we recover the purse. But I've noted everything that's inside. But we're going to check cameras here. If you just want to kind of stand by. And sorry, and Julie, what was your last name?
It's Solairs.
Okay.
SOLARZ.
Okay, perfect. And what's a good number to contact you at?
My cell phone.
Okay, perfect. All right. Well, I've taken all your information here. Just make sure you get you go to Service Ontario, get your driver's license, insurance, all that. Get temporary copies of that. Cancel all your credit cards, obviously,
Are
so
you
they
not going
can't
to
be
find my
used.
purse, like, so I can get that back?
Well,
I
the
shouldn't
thing
have
is,
paid
though,
for this.
No. So the thing is, though, he has a we don't know what he's done with your cards, so it's maybe say that sorry and get new debit and credit cards just in case.
Like, this is really frustrating.
I'm just gonna go inside and check CCTV, Brandon. But yeah, we'll try to get your purse back if we can, Miss Julie. Okay.
Well, I would hope so.
Alrighty. Thank you.
Actually, matter of fact, do you have the banking app on your phone?
A what?
Do you have the banking app on your phone?
I don't know. What's that? Is that something I should have?
Yeah, so you can keep an eye on your transactions on your credit card and debit cards.
Oh, the banking app.
Oh, like if it's used or something?
Yeah, online banking.
Okay, I see.
You don't have that?
Who else thought he said bacon?
No, I don't have that. I just have my account.
Do you look at your transactions every month?
I'd actually kind of like a bacon app, especially if it meant like more bacon. I mean, who wouldn't want more bacon?
Julie?
So yeah, I always look at my accounts. Like, I'm always online banking, so I can find stuff out that way.
Okay, yeah. So if you want to keep an eye on that, see if any transactions have been made now. The past few minutes. In case
I did look there just before, and I don't see anything right now. I'll just keep refreshing here for a second.
Okay.
What the heck? Drop me a like if you want a bacon app.
Give us a call if you see any suspicious, alright?
Okay, will do.
Oh, I'm thinking they've probably located Buddy Boy. Something a little different. To see how this one ends, click the link down below. You'll get the police perspective of what happened. This is an end of another one. Thanks for watching. Take care.